Greetings, wonderful people. Welcome to our channel where we explore intriguing concepts and trends from the digital world. Here, we delve into fascinating topics, from social media phenomena to emerging digital marketing strategies. Today, we're tackling the exciting world of influencer marketing. We'll be dissecting what it is, how you can tap into it, and highlighting some successful figures who've made their mark in this arena. Prepare to be inspired, informed, and perhaps even a little surprised. Stay tuned as we dive into the captivating world of influencer marketing. In the simplest terms, influencer marketing is a strategy that businesses use to promote their products or services. But let's break it down a bit. Imagine you're at a party and a person you admire, perhaps someone famous, walks in wearing a pair of stunning shoes. You're likely to notice and perhaps even be tempted to buy a pair for yourself. That, in a nutshell, is the power of influencer marketing. Influencer marketing is important because it taps into the trust and admiration we have for certain individuals. These influencers have a significant sway over their followers, who often see them as role models or trendsetters. They influence the decisions, attitudes, and behaviors of their audience, hence the term influencer. They are the modern Pied Pipers of consumer behavior. In fact, studies show that consumers are more likely to buy a product endorsed by an influencer they trust than one advertised on traditional media. It's a simple equation, really. Trust plus influence equals consumer action. Influencers are everywhere, from Instagram models and YouTube vloggers to TikTok stars and LinkedIn thought leaders. Each platform offers unique opportunities for influencers to engage with their audience. Instagram, for instance, is perfect for visually appealing products, while YouTube is great for detailed product reviews and tutorials. Businesses, big and small, are capitalizing on the reach and impact of influencers. It's a win-win situation. The businesses get access to a loyal and engaged audience, and the influencers earn from endorsing products they believe in. It's a symbiotic relationship that's reshaping the marketing landscape. The beauty of influencer marketing is its versatility. It's not confined to any specific industry or product. Whether you're selling beauty products, tech gadgets, or even books, there's an influencer out there who can help you reach your target audience. Influencer marketing isn't just about promoting products, it's about storytelling, creating authentic connections, and building trust. It's about using influence to create value, both for the businesses and the consumers. In essence, influencer marketing is the modern-day word-of-mouth promotion. So you might ask, how can I become an influencer? Well, it's not an overnight process, but with patience and consistency, you can certainly make your mark. The first step is to find your niche. This is the area where your passion lies, where you have knowledge or experience, and that you feel comfortable talking about. It could be anything from fashion to fitness, from travel to tech, from food to photography. The key is to select a niche that you love and resonate with. Now that you've found your niche, the next step is to build a following. This isn't about getting millions of followers instantly. It's about building a community of individuals who share your interests and engage with your content. This can be done by regularly posting relevant and engaging content, interacting with your followers, and being authentic. Remember, people follow influencers because they resonate with them, not because they're famous. Creating engaging content is another critical step in becoming an influencer. Your content is your voice, your tool to communicate with your audience. It should be unique, high quality, and most importantly, it should reflect your personality. Whether it's a blog post, a YouTube video, or an Instagram story, make sure it's something that your audience will find value in and want to share with others. Last but certainly not least, partnering with brands. Once you've established your niche, built a following, and started creating engaging content, you can start collaborating with brands. This can be in the form of sponsored posts, product reviews, or ambassador programs. But remember, always partner with brands that align with your values and resonate with your audience. Now, this might sound like a lot, but remember, every influencer started somewhere, and the journey to becoming an influencer is different for everyone. Some may find success quickly, while others may take longer. But the key is to be patient, be consistent, and most importantly, be true to yourself. Remember, becoming an influencer requires time, effort, and a genuine passion for your chosen niche. Now let's discuss the exciting part: making money from influencer marketing. Influencers make money in several ways, and it's not just about posting pretty pictures or witty tweets. It's about leveraging your personal brand to create a revenue stream. So, how do they do it? Firstly, there are sponsored posts. Companies pay influencers to promote their products or services on their social media platforms. They're banking on the fact that the influencer's followers will trust their endorsement and, in turn, purchase the product. This is a common way for influencers to earn income, especially those with substantial followings. Next, we have brand partnerships. This is when an influencer collaborates with a brand for a longer-term relationship. It's more than a one-off post. It could involve a series of promotions, attending events, or even designing a product line. The influencer becomes an ambassador for the brand, and their relationship is mutually beneficial. Then there's affiliate marketing. This is when influencers promote a product and earn a commission from every sale made through their unique affiliate link or code. So, every time a follower clicks on the link and makes a purchase, the influencer gets a cut. It's a win-win situation for both the influencer and the brand. Lastly, many influencers create and sell their own products or services. They might write a book, launch a clothing line, offer online courses, or even start a subscription-based platform. This allows them to control the product, pricing, and profits entirely. But remember, while these income streams might sound appealing, it's not a get-rich-quick scheme. It takes time, effort, and a genuine connection with your audience to succeed in influencer marketing. You need to build trust and credibility with your followers, consistently provide value, and stay true to your personal brand. With the right strategies and a dedicated audience, influencer marketing can be a lucrative career. So if you're passionate about a niche, enjoy creating content, and love engaging with people, why not give influencer marketing a try? You never know where it might lead you. Let's look at some influencers who have successfully turned their online presence into a profitable business. These individuals have harnessed their passion, creativity, and authenticity, transforming their platforms into gold mines. First up, let's talk about Selena Gomez. This international pop star has leveraged her massive following to become an influential figure in the beauty industry. She launched her own beauty line, Rare Beauty, and uses her platform to promote it. This shows that influencers can also create their products to monetize their influence. Next, we have the fitness guru, Joe Wicks, also known as the Body Coach. Joe started by posting short fitness videos and healthy meal recipes on Instagram. His engaging and easy-to-follow content quickly gained traction, and now he has a booming fitness empire. He's monetized his influence through a variety of channels, including a best-selling book series, a popular app, and even a television show. This shows that diversifying your income streams can really pay off when you're an influencer. Let's not forget about PewDiePie, one of the most successful YouTubers of all time. PewDiePie, whose real name is Felix Kjellberg, found his niche in the gaming community. He's known for his humorous and sometimes controversial commentary, which has earned him a dedicated fan base. PewDiePie has successfully monetized his influence through ad revenue, brand partnerships, and merchandise. And then there's Chiara Ferragni, a fashion influencer who started with a simple style blog. She's now a global fashion icon with her own clothing line, The Blonde Salad. Chiara proves that with persistence, a keen eye for trends, and a little bit of business savvy, an influencer can go from sharing outfit ideas to running a successful fashion empire. These influencers are proof that with the right approach, influencer marketing can be a successful business venture. It's all about finding your niche, creating engaging content, and developing a strong connection with your audience. So, whether you're passionate about beauty, fitness, gaming, fashion, or something entirely different, there's a world of opportunities waiting for you in the realm of influencer marketing. That brings us to the end of our exploration of influencer marketing. We've journeyed through the landscape of influencer marketing, a vibrant and evolving world where your passion, creativity, and authenticity can transform into a fulfilling and lucrative career. We've unveiled the intricacies of becoming an influencer, a path that requires dedication, strategy, and a genuine connection with your audience. We've delved into the art of monetizing your influence, dissected the various revenue streams at your disposal, from sponsored posts, brand collaborations, to affiliate marketing. We've also showcased some trailblazers who have carved out their niche and built successful careers from influencer marketing, serving as shining examples of what's possible in this realm. Now, it's your turn. Reflect on what you've learned. How does influencer marketing resonate with you? What opportunities do you see? How would you navigate this dynamic field? Remember, your unique perspective and individuality are your greatest assets. Whether you're just dipping your toes in or ready to dive headfirst into the world of influencer marketing, it's a journey worth embarking on. It's a journey that promises not only financial rewards, but also the satisfaction of creating content that can impact, inspire, and ignite conversations. So, are you ready to tap into your potential and make your mark in the world of influencer marketing? If you found this video informative and engaging, don't forget to hit the subscribe button and leave your comments below. Until next time, keep exploring and keep learning.